Mic test, mic test, mic test. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. That is the delay, 6 seconds or so. By the way, good morning. Everything's in sim. Um, I have maybe an hour of coffee energy. Maybe. We'll see. I'm linking this to um, my TV, and I'll probably just go back to the TV when I get tired. And as soon as I'm just sitting here at the desk. As soon as I get tired, I'm gonna go back. But I'm incredibly bored of sitting on the couch right now. So just so you guys know, like incredibly bored. And that's the only reason I'm here. Hey, good morning. I can't take the day off, brother. The day off is boredom for me. I can't read books right now. My brain is not working well enough. So I don't want to watch TV, Damien. It's boring. I watched it last night, fell asleep a bunch of times. It's just, this is the most interesting thing in my life right now, besides hanging out with my kid, which he's just eating oatmeal, watching his tablet. So, and even then, it's too much energy to try to keep up with him right now. So he's like, let's go here, let's go there, let's go here. I'm like, yeah. So this is like therapeutic and relaxing for me. Like I said, I'll be in sim, I think. Yeah, it's sim. Do you think this low's gonna break? Sure. Let's try it. Okay, Arnold. I'll be back. Google had some interesting news this morning, didn't it? Here comes 3, 2, 1. Stop me out. Or not. Just go take the lows. Boop. There we go. Come back into the range. Come back into the range. Oh. Come back into the range. Thanks, Mo. That's nice of you to say. Think that's close to 9 on the stops. I don't know. Ugh. Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Boom, boom, ba-doo, 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 ba-doo. Oh, we got hammer time in the morning now. The big red candle. Oh, is that a stop loss? What? Yeah, I don't know what that was. Oh, that was the old one, huh? Dummies front running, copy trading. You guys doing that? I think you are. You know why it held like that to the tick? Because some of you guys are probably copy trading right now. It's okay. On my sim, which is what this is, I'm going to outperform you all, motherfuckers. We're still long too. Hey! Get out another one. All right, long one. All right, cancel all trades. Let's see. Top of range. We're now flat, I think. Yeah, we're flat. Oh, I missed the short. That's okay. Yeah, we'll try again. We're short 2, short 3. Let's see. Where's the Nav 1? Is Nav 1 high volume? It is high volume. Ooh, Nav 1 is high volume. Hail, hail, the gang's all here. I think I had the wrong number of stops here. About here. And then we'll say that maybe we come. So we got double volume distribution here, right? This is kind of fun. Oh, let's see if they fill it in here. Ba-da. Looks like it's about done. Little BBWC here. Right. See if we go test this area. Big buyer stepped up here. Let's see if they want to go fuck everybody. No. All right, let's turn this on here. What is the ATR here? This is volatility, isn't it? Yeah, it is kind of volatility. Let's switch it up. 500 vol. Does that mark the highs? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Oh, you guys realize that I'm streaming all this on YouTube, right? It's unlisted. I put it in the NQ channel. No? No? Maybe someone can grab the feed and put it in here. Yeah, I mean, oh, thanks, Dean. Man, you guys are fucking fast. Harshul, but you're the slowest. And no, Hero's the slowest. But Hero's from Poland, so you know the Polish jokes, Hero. How did Poland get invaded? The Nazis walked in backwards, and all the Poles thought they must be leaving. Sorry. uh, I saw that from Jon Stewart, the Daily Show. I watched a little bit of that. Anyway, let's see what's going on here. Let's try that. I don't know. Let's do this. Let's do that. You know what we should do? We should go look at NQ execution and stocks, right? So we could have that. There you go. Middle of the range. Little ledge here. Let's see if it goes back to Nav1. What do you think's a more important thing? This pin bar or Nav1? You got to realize that there's a 6-second delay on the YouTube. All right, she's either going to break here or she's not. Nav1. Yeah, I think Nav1's more important too. Value area low. Shorts will probably try to cover. Might get a little ripper up. All right, we're going to stop. Yep, we're wrong. We get back in. It's okay. See if we do false breakout and come back into range. And nope, we're going to go hit the IA. Still looks weak, huh? I think they got him. There, 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 there. And if you break that, then it's going to go down here. Oh, COVID boy. COVID boy in the house today. Let's see. Let's see how whipped around we can get here, Herschel. They're buying it. Let's go see if they TDVU app is a resistance. Out here? There you go. Pre-market highs. We got little gaps here. 112 points off the NS1. Another loss. But who cares? It's on sim, right? And you see the big thing that says, do not copy trade. If you're copy trading a guy with COVID who's randomly clicking and thinking you're going to learn some shit, then you're the stupid one. Don't be stupid, please. Please don't be stupid. All right, let's try this again. Better R factors. Oh, man. Yeah, I just wait for BBWC RAF. Whatever you see at BBWC, mark it up. Holy shit. It's time to go spit out some blood. Wow. My throat is like raw. There's blood from my throat. It's not internal. By the way, look at Tesla this morning, Harshal. Yippee-ki-yay. You see it? Are you happy? Da-da-da-da-da-da. I'm happy. Are you happy? I'm not there yet, Harshal. I'm not there. Ah. Oh. I appreciate you looking out for me, Harshal. But just realize, if I'm not ready to go cuddle, every time I have to address it, it's more talking and then my throat hurts. So tell me when you really know I'm fucked up. Not just go cuddle in the blanket. Go cuddle in the blanket every 2 minutes. Then it just tires me out. That's how you know I'm so tired. I don't even want to deal with getting back to people right now. Like Jared, I see a DM. I'm like, fuck that. Too much work. That's where I'm at. Sorry, Jared. I'm surviving on a little bit of caffeine here. Oh, look at all this shit. All right. You're going to go get it all. All right. Well, we'll try this way. Middle of the range. This is still a ledge up here, so I don't know. These are all, they built more volume, so this is double balanced here. So we'll try it. We'll just try it. You know, I know some of you guys are going to be like, hey, this is a demonstration of real trading. No, COVID positive. Just on YouTube. Gonna go watch it, the live market feed, when I can't do anything more. So don't learn anything from this. Say, well, then why are you doing it? I'm doing it for myself. And I thought, well, you guys want to just watch it too. That's fine. But I'm not gonna mess around and claim that this is any kind of fucking signal to you guys or education. So don't be that stupid guy, all right? Just don't be like that. I don't know how many times I could say it. You know the reason I say this, Almond? Anybody else? Yeah, the reason I say it is because there's always some dumb fuck that's like, I'm going to copy trade Mike. Always. Even in our group, there's always a dumb fuck. And then they come later and they're like, I tried to do it and I got wrecked. And I'm like, why? Why'd you do that? I said not to do it. I just couldn't help myself. I'm like, well, you Neanderthal. It's not good to do anything right now, Ahmed. All right, where's the next level? These are our runners, I guess. Weekly 2SD, 100% CVOL. Die, market, die. Hey, here's something that is useful. When the market gets to about negative 5% off the highs, you should start paying attention. So when Nasdaq hits about 300 or so, you should be thinking, looks like there's some interested buyers here if you see it, any kind of consolidation. And for a higher time frame trade like QQQ, whatever. Here, let me show you guys something real quick. NQ high time frame. Here. You see this here? That's that gap fill area, right? Probably going to go take out the lows eventually, right? But right now we're at a higher low, aren't we? Look. Look. Let's zoom it in. See if you guys can see that. Higher low? Yeah, higher low. Just barely. Probably go take that in the negative 2SD. But then look at down here. You see that? This is BBWC2. And by the way, this was BBWC1 yesterday. Did you guys see it right here? And you had a big old bring, right? So far, a little higher low. We got a gap above. We're coming back in on this big bear bar. Trying to analyze now. Trying my best. Oh, man. Dude, look at that's going for it, man. It's going for it. Yeah, buddy. What do you think? What's the structure right now? Like, oops, none of this is working. That sucks. Here, let me, probably the screen goes black. There you go. Stream Deck has to be turned on. What else has to be turned on? Epic Pen. There you go. Uh-oh. Epic Pen and YouTube. I forgot. There's a weird Epic Pen and YouTube thing that goes on. All right, there you go. Where do you think the resistance area is here? About here, right? So if you start to reclaim our VWAP, I think this shit is over. Right now, we just hit that low. We rejected, right? This one was kind of like this. We came in, rejected. Came in, that's a swing low, rejected. So let's see if we can extend down. Hey, sister, soul sister. Da 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 da. Look at the underlyings here too. Oh, we're not even in the right spot. We're on the wrong thing, huh? NQ execution. There we go. Hey, buddy Ben. Hey, we can leave this down, can't we? Yes, we can. Hey, sister, soul sister. Da da da. Raph's like, I'm copy trading. Mike, I need this right straight. I don't know where you're long and short. Get a position. You better not be, Raph. You better not be. Yeah, I know. I know you're joking. You're not that guy. You are not that guy. Got rid of two more members last night. I'm on a roll. I'm on a roll. A little bit of size down here. I think it's going to go higher. We'll leave that one runner. No, I think we're going to just have to get back into the game here. Here. Hey! Come and get your love. Come and get your love. Value low moving up. What? What? All right. It's even so easy. Even a COVID positive Mike can do it. It's not easy. All right. It's always a pleasure, Jared. Well, in the beginning of the morning, it's always rotational. Look, I mean, right? Yep, exactly. So, I wonder if you're. Let's see. Jared, say something real quick. Oh,
Your
Jared.
mama's like a hockey player. She wears the same underwear for 3 periods.
That was a bloody one. Thanks, Jared. Oh, you. No, it's not close. It's okay, buddy. You just. All right, good job, Fletcher.
How about this? Riot!
Hey, can anybody hear Jared on the feed? Huh? But yeah, please don't make me laugh. Yeah, they are. They are. Right here. You can see it. Oops. I don't know where my thing is. Oh, right here. All that. Right? Big deltas. And that ledge, they're going to get fucked. Whenever you step up, or they're going to. Here. Oh, no. Could do that. Nope. I think that ledge is going down. Just gotta get it. Dad. Nope. How much can you give back on a super tight stop? Oh my goodness, you are so ridiculous. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh. They are gonna fuck you as low as you go. Oh. Prime for extension down, says Hobbit. Nah, they might just defend that and push it right back in. You don't know. That's why you gotta have a tight little stop. Tight little stop, baby. There you go. Hammer time. Let's see if the hammer time stops work. Nope. They don't work. Let's see if these deltas work. Still want that break. No, no, no. They're still defending. This is now a better opportunity. Oh, we got to switch this out. Like that. There we go. Delta's up here. Right, right. Ah, shoot. Too fast. Way too fast. How low can you go? Da-na-na. Arnie is typing. Arnie is typing. Singles. He's going to say something about singles. Watch. Oh, okay. Never mind. Yeah, I like it. Da 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 da. See if we can get out when it turns red. See that? There you go. All right, big winners. Come on, big winners. No, no, she's finding some support here. Probably gonna go back up. Son of a gun, we'll keep one. Let's try again. Let's try again. Look at those tens. There's the Gary Force. All right, come on back. Come on back. Where's our orders? There we go. Yeah, Gary 4. You guys know NVIDIA has earnings today? It's gonna be crazy. Oh, I don't want that. That's too close. There you go. Too close. We got a little stop run zone here, but there. Let's see. I might have to get back in if it goes above here. This doubles balance from here to here, all the way up to here. And then on the downside, if we move back into the range, probably come all the way down here. This will be our de-risking right near the lows here. All right. Oh. Get our stops at the same spot, right? They're going to the liquidity. Come on. Let's see. All right, we're gonna give it one more shot. That's a fail. Break up. Come on. Back into range of the double balance, the downside. If we start seeing stops disappear, then we know we got screwed. All right, we got screwed. Oh. This is a major breakdown. I like it again for a scalp. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're going to try again. Come on. Value area high. Maybe a little higher. There you go. Right there. There you go. There's the breakout of the balance area. And then we'll see if we get the retest of RV. That's this little spot here. Oh man, it's hard to trade with this thing moving like this, I'll tell you. It's like a yo-yo. See that? Oh, I never have this screen move up and down. Ever. You say forever, ever? Nah, never, ever. Never, ever, ever, ever. All right, let's see if we come back into range here. Little stop run. Nope, nope. Hold an RV. A little bit of buying pressure. Cancel those. There you go. Two left. Oh, maybe we get the same trade if we break that through. That would be vicious back to this range. Vicious, I tell you. All right, inverted hammer. Inverted. Boop. We're leaving an IA low right here. Oh no. Let's see if we can get it. Come on. They're going to go for stop run city. Come on. Oh, they got it. All right, here's the BBWC. Trap traders didn't get it. No. All right, we're in one. And why does this screen keep popping up here? Oh, I see.
Every time you see me, the hammer is so hyped.
Can't touch this. If we play any music, it'll bring it into the YouTube and then ban the YouTube. I was just thinking that would be so sweet. All right, inverted hammer. We're going to go for it. Boy, it's moving fast. You see that? Let's go get those stops eventually up here. Pin bars. Only got 3 contracts, I believe. I believe. All right, first takeoff point is here. Do you believe? Yeah, I believe. There you go. Well, all right, come on. Oh, nope. Too fast for me. All right, we go back in. Back in. All right, now we go. Stops to here. There you go. Let's see if we get them. Oh, no. There you go. The hammer just so hot. Yo, hammer. Can't touch this. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Can't touch this. Da, 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 da. Inverted hammer. Can't touch this. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Let's see if we could lose like 50 points here. Get us down to like 130. Yeah, there. Yeah, we'll try again. Oh, these guys are gonna fill. All right. They're running over the big buyers. Let's see. Let's see if the big buyer fights back here. 10 lots on the bid. Boom. Oh, we're too slow. Oh, look, a fight back. Oh. Now, let's see if we can get that whole eye. The fuck'em zone. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. We don't want it coming back, huh? Nah. We want it straight up into the hammer time. Oh, baby. Woo. Look at the 36 on the bid. Ah! They're like, oh no! All right, let's see if we can come back in. Oh, I'm too slow. There you go. put it over the deltas. Where is the next breakout point? About here? So where they just screwed somebody? About there. Okay. 18 lots hit, 13 lots bidding. Nope, they got everything. All right, here's the highs. Gonna wait on this. Oh no, there's another opportunity here. There you go. Right there. Nope. Another opportunity. There you go. Go hit those bids. Back to the range. Quick to the point, No faking cooking MCs. It's a little pinnacle of price action here. So let's just see if they allow these, whoever was wrong in this area, to digest these guys here before we go take highs, right? Quick to the point, Oh, nope. TDV map. All right, let's try again. Little TDV map stops. And settlement stops. Excuse me. Nope, settlement stops. All right, let's do it again. Let's do it again. And more. I still think settlement's gonna get cut back in like a gravy train. All right, let's do it again. This is now the retest zone right here. Let's see. And then this would be big positive delta stack got rolled, be a stop zone right here. And then TDV whap. And then maybe we hold a runner for that. Okay. And we're back to 7 points. Oh no. Is my kid on the TV or is he on the tablet? Kid? That ain't cool. Is he on the tablet or the TV? Da 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 da. Look at how it's just bouncing, bouncing. Come on. Bouncing. Ba, 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 ba. You could see it was like, right. Right? All right, whatever. All right, let me go see what my kid is doing right now. I think he's not doing something he's not supposed to be doing. Oh no, he's just on his tablet. Oh, excuse me. Oh, this is the quintessential overtrading at the open. Right here. Look at that big bull bar. That's a big bull bar. Looking at it on YouTube going, ooh, baby. They might run stops over it. But that's a position you want to hold. Ooh, baby. They're probably, actually, that kind of big bull bar terrifies the shit out of the shorts. So they're probably going to get higher. And then we're going to get in on that bull bar. All right. Da, 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 da. Let's look at the TDVU app now hold, right? Because everybody's shorted there. You know, Trades by Matt was like, oh, I'm going to short this. And now he's trying to like, okay, it's at break even. And then right about here, he goes, I'll just cut it for 20 bucks profit. After taking like $2,000 drawdown. That's what he does. It's all right. It's on YouTube, but you know. That's that prior day's low here. Oh, we can't do anything. We can't modify that. That's right. Because it's from the higher time frame. Okay. Textbook bull flag. Micro complex retracement. Bull, the bear bar. Yeah, we're probably gonna come back into rage, brother. Value area stops. Build it up, Buttercup. Ah. Let's do this. Look. There you go. Scale out. Oh, now we gotta change that because I think we're only short one. Yeah. There you go. You would expect this to come all the way back up. Now we've got some sideways here. Let's see if we can get a little more. Might take out the range, but you know, this would be resistance. Huh? This would be hammer time right here. Yeah, so something like that. We'll take the 1.5 hour scalp. Dean. One thing the markets like to do is, you see how this builds volume like this, and then we build more volume here, and then this hasn't built any volume, right? You would expect it to build volume, then push it up. Do you know what I mean? This is just part of initial balance, Dean. I know there's a 6 second delay, so whatever. I haven't made a dime yet today because I'm on SIM. I'm on SIM on everything. Now, I do have stock positions holding on Tesla. I don't even know. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little different at the open sometimes, Dean. Open requires more skill. That's why people get crushed at the open. You gotta think in terms of bell curves all the time. How are they filling this in, right? I'm losing my voice a little bit. Let me go find my phone. Oh, I don't know where it is. Ah, man. Oh, oh. Man, it's so cold right now. I just got the shivers. Whew. Just comes on me. That's funny. I've had the worst luck with being sick this year. It's insane. Don't move to northern Idaho, guys. Don't move to northern Idaho. Seriously. I got some real viruses up here. Whew. All right, let's try to put some risk on. I wish it got 2. I should have switched it to 2. Oh well. Try again. You bastards. Really? There you go. 5. Now we can get some here. Where's the BBWC belt? Here? Yeah, maybe. The way I see it is there's like something going on here, right? Where people are going to have their stops right in here somewhere. Yeah? Yeah. No, they're still digesting, going to go higher now. You know what I was thinking the other day? To be a trader, you have to have an entrepreneurial mind. You have to be willing to take risks and not be afraid all the time. You know that? Oh, look at that trend line. It's kind of a trend line, right? Hey, buddy.
I'm actually watching.
Oh, you're on watching it on TV?
Yeah. Is that what's on TV?
Correct.
Oh.
Yeah, you think it's funny?
Yeah.
Yeah. maybe you'll hear your own voice on TV say, "Hello."
Hello.
Go, run back and see. Quick. Ah, bummer. Thanks, Dean. You said that before. Oh, yeah, Ben, I don't know. Maybe it's just not. Maybe I have the sound off on YouTube. Do you hear any sound on YouTube, like me talking?
No.
Yeah, go turn up the volume, and then we'll try it again. Now, if this breaks, probably going to take out highs. And if it fails, oh well. I think we're in the stop zone here. Firmly with this red devil. But that's okay. Might take out this low, flush into support here in this area, and then really rip. Then it's a nice complex retracement. You know what I mean? Pass me up. We're working on the dope scene. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. They hit equal lows here. Well, that's rare. Maybe like that. Value area high stops. Ooh, there's some volatility out there. Oh. There you go. Same idea. Maybe that one for this. And then scale it a bit. There you go. Quick to the point, no fake can cook it. MC's like a pound of bacon. Yo, Benjamin, can you hear me on the TV now? Mr. Ben? Oh, Benjamin. Come to the office, please. Let's see if he turned the TV up. Oh, that was a rare one. You see that? It double bottomed almost to the tick and then went up. All right, let's cancel all. We'll try the false breakout here. Stops above the highs. That positive delta here. Let's see if it acts like support. Kind of acting like support. Let's see. As you know, somebody big got run over right there. Oh, they're going to run them over. They're going to run me over then. All right, so 14 times 12. About 100 points off. There you go. 80-something points off. Uh-oh. All right, we're going to try again for the false breakout. How random can you go? I still think that double bottom breaks. It's too rare. Say what? Yeah, well, you know. It's too rare. You know, where's Ben? Ben. Ben. Hey, Ben. Did you turn the TV volume up? Or did you forget? Did you turn the TV volume or you forget? Oh, you could? Could you hear yourself? Watch. Here, say hello.
Hello.
Is that so funny? Here, we could turn the TV up a little bit higher. Oh, you only have the TV on 9 volume, buddy. Benjamin, you're so silly. Ginger, honey, lemon, cinnamon, hot tea, and rum. Sounds like a party, Ralph. Thanks for that. Oh, look at the amount of this consolidation up here. It's pretty good. You also got to start thinking about not just breaking the double bottom, but coming back to here, right? And then positive deltas here. You can see it right there. Let's see if this big blue devil acts like a little bit of support here. See how she's hesitating here? A little bit of hesitation. Oh. Hey, quick to the point, no faking. Inverted hammer. Hey, don't do that to me. All right, let's get rid of that. Keep the stop in place. And now we don't want it coming back into the... You can cut back to here, that's fine. You don't want it getting towards the top, though. So, and then we'll go to 1, and then we will get rid of the brackets. Oh, coming back to that blue devil. Come on, baby. All right, time to put a... I think we're going to miss that. That's okay. We'll try it. Stop about here. So I think we can outperform by getting this low. There we go. That blue devil, I still think it's going back here. That's the thing. Now if we double balance, it takes us into here. All right, we're going to go here. Try to build this position. Oh, that flush is going to be delish. Ish bish delish. The triple bottom now. Uh-oh. Perfect equal lows, right? It's like a in session poor low. It's too perfect. They must go get it. All right, here's the higher low off the perfect double low. Let's see if they go shake out some shorts. Are they trying to cover here? There we go. There we go. Triple bottom? We got to go triple? Nope. Oh, too many people. Too many of you guys thinking all the same thing, taking the same trades. You're copying, aren't you? Who here is willing to admit it? Anybody? No? Like I'm copying? All right. No? Nobody? Harshal, can you tell when people are copying a little bit when you talk about it ahead of time? Because it's just that little tiny low. Everybody who's copy trading, I predict you will fail as a trader. Do you know that? Those are harsh words, but like I was saying before, trading takes an entrepreneurial spirit. You have to be able to put on risk for yourself and be courageous. And what I notice is there are some people that are afraid of their own shadows when it comes to trading. And if the only time that you feel confident to put on risk is when somebody's doing it for you, then you don't have what it takes. Ooh, what hard shorts. Nope, just true. You have to be able to put risk on for yourself. Oh, man. Let's put a little Fibonacci on here. I can't get to it fast enough. Stupid Fibonacci. It's moving too much. You guys, I don't normally have this screen moving up and down. I set it like that because I thought I wasn't going to even be at my desk for a while this morning. It's so stupid.
You're telling me stuff from the TV.
I'm not telling you anything, actually. Thank you, Ben. Benjamin, he's so funny. He said, Daddy, I hear you telling me stuff.
I'm so funny again.
You could hear me talk, huh, Ben? Yeah. Hey, Ben, I need you to be a lot more calm than that. I don't like those crazy, like, animal noises when you make them, okay? It stresses me out. I don't feel good right now, okay? Uh, uh, let's see if I can actually get on this thing right. All right. There's another one. And then this thing turns into a pin bar. I think we're close enough. All right. What are we at? 3. This is the 2-stopper. Okay. Yeah, we're good. We're loading up this position. What's the average? Way up here? All right. You know what I'm going to do? So I'm going to change this. Because this is really, really irritating. Constant range manual. Now it shouldn't move. Oh, like a breath of fresh air. It's not moving all over the place now. It should remind me if I walk away, I gotta set it. Because then it'll just go off screen. I have to get up and walk back. Oh, I don't want my stop there now. If we break up, we want your stop underneath the eye. Oh. Ouch. You guys notice this? This is combo L3. You see guys seeing that? Right here. Oh. There you go. Still going. Still going. Still going. All right. They got all the stops. Ba, 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 ba. Good R factor. But is it the right time? Probably not, because it hasn't consolidated yet. That's okay. It's a whippy market. Maybe we'll get some. Quick to the point, no faking. Cooking MCs like a pound of bacon. Oh, hey, hey, hey. We gotta flatten this position because it's moving too fast. And there was people on the bid. They are front running like you hid. All right. No, it's not interesting, Raph. What did I say at the beginning of this broadcast?
I think you said trades by Matt sucks. Oh, sorry.
It is for you because you don't believe me, Raph. You don't believe that this isn't the right way to trade. In which case, you, sir, are not learning from somebody who knows a lot more than you. And you need to believe me when I say this is not the way you're supposed to do this. Do you know why? No, the rationale. Maybe. Okay. I could be corrected on this. I could be corrected. It's possible that you're right. You're a creative thinker, so you know it's a little different for you than some of the other people in here. But for the vast majority of people who just need to be focusing on basic market structure, this shit will fuck them up because they cannot keep up. Not even close. You know, it's like I'm trading F1 over here, and you guys are all you're fucking you're in the little derby cars that they push down the hill for little babies. And mostly it's all because you don't follow instructions and actually stick to BBWC and perfect it. And then you guys share screenshots that aren't even BBWC, and I'm like, fucking, what are these guys doing? Like, why don't you just focus on it? Just focus on it like crazy. So that's why I say there's too much. Like I'm using fibs, I'm using the idea of balance, I'm using deltas, I'm using breakdown points, perfect double bottoms, all of it. Vast majority of you guys, you think you can keep up with all of that. You guys don't have the context yet. You're babies. Like, oh, I hate being told that. It doesn't matter. You're fucking babies, and I know you're babies. You're not going to be as good as somebody who's been doing this fucking over a decade. Don't insult my practice. Don't insult the amount of time that I put into markets. I'm telling you guys what to focus on. You guys just want to ignore it sometimes. Anyway, Raf, I gotta talk like this for the vast majority because there's all these people that stay quiet and don't share their thoughts very much. And they're not in here all day, all the time, hearing the same shit every day. Oh, look at Tesla. Tesla hit 199 this morning. Anyway, new lows. Yeah, I like to buy new lows because you know sometimes they get. Well, you're close enough to these lows too. Might be a spot. Oh, those guys here. Nah, I'll give it one more opportunity. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. Value area low. See if they go get Matt stops. Trades by Matt. He's like, we just broke value area low. I'm gonna take a short here. Right? Does that matter? I don't know. Might. It might. Here, we tighten up this stupid stop here. Matt adding. Matt adding. Let's see. They're gonna suck him in. Quick to the point, no faking, cooking it. Cooking. Trades by Matt like a pound of bacon. They're gonna get the stops. Alright. Oh, maybe not. Come on. Come on. I see you fives. Look at that. They're gonna go get it. They're gonna go get it. Ah! Too many people waiting there, Ahmed. Too many people. Whenever you have a live streamer that has a little bit of skill, you know what they do sometimes? Everybody front runs. That's what happens. Hey, look at that. 100 lot. Is that 100? What is that? How big was that? I think that was 100. Shoot. Too fast. Oh, they might fuck this guy. Here. We're going to try. They might fuck this guy right here. And just go right above it. Here. And then that's structure. All right, let's try it. Quick to the point, no fake it. Cooking MCs like a pound of bacon. Let's see if this guy here Because he's positive delta, right? We start running over that. Everybody front ran that shit, right? 100 lots here. Let's see. Uh-oh. 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 Guaranteed trade. All right, come on. Go. Fuck him. Oh, yawn, dear Big B. Yawn, oh, yawn. Oh, baby. Get him, yawn. Get him. Oh, yeah. You know, Jared, Jimmy is really nice. Jimmy said nice, no. Jared said nice things about you in DM. Because I like that guy, Jimmy. He's such a nice dude. I agree. I agree. Hello. Just so you know, Jimmy, Jared said nice things about you. Quick to the point, no faking, cooking MCs like a pound of bacon. Dude, what does this page look like? Here, let's turn on the, oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't that a mess? Look at that. What a mess. What a mess. All the way to here. Oh, I know, Kobe. It's make or break for NVIDIA. Yeah, I know. All right, let's turn that off. Oh, yeah. Who knows, Kobe? I don't play before earnings. Now, I will stay long into Tesla's next earnings. So that's a little different. NQ execution and stocks. Let's see, right? SC stocks. Hey, Kobe, let's go look at NVIDIA here. There it is. There we go. You guys see everything okay? All right. There you go. What's the EM, guys? What's the EM on NVIDIA? It's in the TYP Vimeo videos. Thanks to Artie, he put something in there. Oh, look. I'm doing it the lazy way. I usually do it through Thinkorswim, but I'm too tired. Oh, fuck, I'll do it through Thinkorswim. Never mind. I trust Thinkorswim. I don't know how different it is. I haven't looked it up. 70.08. Where is it?
That number is silly.
Huh?
That number is 70. Expected move of 70 points is just silly.
Why?
It's just, what is it, a $600 stock, right?
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah.
I mean,
Almost like 10% move. That's pretty good.
yeah, it's silly. Almost
11.4% expected move.
Yeah.
It Bears expect 601, Bulls expect 756. I don't see the EM. It's like I know I could probably do like a subtraction, but I'd like to see like what's the look. I have a method of doing this, unfortunately, and it's this doesn't fit my method. Ah, that's a bummer. That's okay. I know my method works, so I'm not going to backtest anything more. It works consistently through Thinkorswim the way I do it. Uh, so I don't personally. EM. Oh, thank you, Bam. 70.15. Yeah, that's what I have on Thinkorswim. 70.07. It's moving around, right? Options are pricing everything in real time, but it's about 70 points. So downside will be a little more. So here's what we'll do. We'll take this. Are you guys seeing the same screen? You should be. We'll take I don't like to complicate my life. I got stuff that I already know how to use. I just use it. So downside will be more usually because markets drop more usually when they go downside. So this is an old PSV or PWV, sorry. 609. Oh, that's juicy. That's so juicy. Here, I'll do this. 609. Oh, that's so juicy. So anywhere, and then that's a gap. And then this is consolidative. So that's the juicy EM to buy. I don't care about upside. I'm not going to short this thing. Why would I do that? The stock is a little too bullish on the upside. If that breaks, even if we go, like, yeah, it could come back in, or it could just fucking island. No, I don't want to be any part of that. So just my personal preference. But buying it, sure, I'll buy it for a pop, maybe, if I'm clear-headed enough. Which I probably won't be. And then this is a real nice BBWC here, right on the 30-minute. So right in this area here, that gap fill. So, man, my son gets to hear my foul language here on the TV. He thinks it's great. Benjamin, don't talk like me. Please. He's going to run in. Yes, I'm talking to you, Ben. All right, there you go. We'll go BBWC. Oh, let's do the nomenclature thing. 30-minute BBWC1. 221. No, 30-minute. 221. Earnings expected move. There you go. There we go. All right, we're done. I'll have to adjust it into the close. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah.
Right now we got 3 times the with this range here. Last through double balance up to 510.
Do you notice that the market's moving different, Jared?
Gonna move right into my pocket.
Jared, do you notice that the market is moving differently?
I guess it's kind of choppy right now.
Did you notice that it just slowed down?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like harder to read now, right? Do you notice that this area here, which is a combo, it's kind of marginal. Right? You would expect a battle through here. But it's see how slow it's moving?
Yeah, it's
so when it moves slow and it gets so much harder to read, do you get more patient on your trades? And small?
I actually spread mine. I'm one lot. I have a move from scalping to a swing.
Yeah.
And I have a fairly wide range. So I can lose 36 on the bottom and make 56 on the top. And I'm trying to go for the figure. It's going to fill in volume and fill in the whole graph.
Beautiful,
that's my thought process here.
Yeah, just sometimes guys, they just, they see like, oh, double bounce, and they just immediately go long. They expect it. I know you're more of a patient guy, but you just want to look at this going, hey, right now they're battling this area. This was a breakdown. We've now built volume. We're building volume this way, so you would expect it to kind of come up. She's also moving a little different too. She's become, for me, very unclear. If I was trading today, I would just go take a fucking long break. Come back when it's made up its mind. That makes sense. Why? Because, man, markets. So this is the open, right? In here? Look at this, dude. I mean, really? You really want to get fucked in all this? How many oscillations do we have? Like secondary. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Markets. The markets and major. Markets and, oh, here we go, ref. There we go. Hey, the more
It ate me.
It ate you. Yeah, of course it did. Anyway, I was just going to say, you can wait because this market's already consolidated for a while. It's going to break up or it's going to break down. It's going to do so violently. Is that what? What is this pattern, brother? What is it? Do you know? Jared, what is this pattern?
Looks like a Head and Shoulders.
No. Incorrect.
Hey, look, I'll show you my picture.
Nope.
Oh, I don't want to show you my picture because I didn't re-download.
This is what it is.
I don't want to blind you.
This is what it is. This is like an indecisive pattern. How do you know it's indecisive? Because the market's going like this. And it's going like that. That's this area, and that's this area.
Are you on your feed right now?
I am on my feed, yeah.
Okay, I gotta get you. I can't.
It's a diamond, yeah. Arnie's right.
Come.
Guys, I've been thinking of doing this thing with the group where people who are competent get like a blue name. But I don't. It's like tough because some of you guys are like semi-competent in some areas, but then not in others. I think it's useful, right? Because you can weight somebody who has more competency. Like their opinion, right? Like you guys all know Harshul fucking, he knows my own palm like his own. Like get out of my head, dude. But so there are some people because he's here all the time every day. But others, it's like, I don't know. I was just thinking of it. I'm thinking out loud here. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Hey, Jared.
So I'm looking at the live feed right now.
Jared.
What's the diamond? Yeah.
The big tip off is this. Like that. Okay. So in other words, volatility is expanding, right? All while coming back into range. Right? It could be like this.
Mike, all I see is your equities, man. Your Nvidia.
Oh, thank you. Someone's helping me. All right. Yeah, I've been marking shit up this whole time.
Sorry.
That's okay. Dude, I'm fucking sick as fuck.
There we go.
Yeah, right. Thank you for telling me. See what I mean? So, anyway, let's go back. So like this. Right? This is the open. Here's a low. You get this swing. Right? Here's the first swing down. Second swing up. Third swing down. But when it does it, makes a lower low. Right? then the rebound makes a higher high, and now we're at a lower high, right? So this, from here to here, hopefully that's easy. That's the volatility is expanding. Shoot. That's the volatility is
Like a butterfly.
expanding part of this, right? That's the volatility is expanding. Like that, right? We're undecided in this range, ripping back into the bell curve. So that diamond, what is a diamond pattern? What does it signify? So I don't know. Well, there's a good book for you to read. Called
That's what good goes for.
Technical. Nope, it will not. This is one of the best books you can read. Technical Analysis of Stock Trends by Edwards and Meiji. If you want to learn a hell of a lot more about classical charting patterns, read that shit 5 times and make notes. It's a great book. Edwards and Meiji. Such a good book, Jimmy. Here, I'll put it in the chat. Edwards and Meiji. Too many E's. Technical analysis on my part of stock trends. It's such a good book. That book was written in 1929. 1929. They've had like 11 or 12 additions to that book because it's that good and it's still relevant. That book changed my thinking on trading. It's an old story. I suggested one of my old crypto buddies read that book. And some of you guys have heard this story before. And he said he read it. And he is a pretty good bullshitter, right? And a smart guy. So we were having conversations. And I'm like, well, what pattern is this? And he'd get the pattern right. And I was like, well, what do they say about it? And then he'd come up with some bullshit. And then I'd say, oh, okay. Let him go on like that for a month. And then finally I told him, hey buddy, I know you didn't finish that book. He's like, what? I said, because every time I'd ask you what they wrote about it, your understanding was so far off. And he's like, and you just let me go on and on? He goes, I'm so embarrassed. He goes, I'm so embarrassed. And I was like, yeah, well, you were lying to my face, right? You're wasting my time. And he's like, Mike, I'm going to see you in 6 months. I'm going to have read it 5 or 6 times with notes. 6 months later, he came back. He did it. And it changed his trading forever. But he was really embarrassed about it. It's just, so it's just the point of me saying that is, a lot of people do that shit with their studies. They half-ass it, right? And then they come back and they think that they can bullshit me with half-ass knowledge. And I'm like, just sitting here going, you fucking don't even know what you're talking about. I'm serious. A lot of people do that shit. It's a common thing in college, too. Hey, Ben.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry again? All right, I'll get you some more food.
Waiting for a long time.
Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Let's see, what time is it? What time it is? 7:53. Oh. Hey, Ben, why don't you sing a song that you can hear yourself on YouTube? You just love it, Benjamin.
I'll
Actually, that that training screen on YouTube looks really bright and different than it does on my window. On my monitor, I should say. Anyway, Raf, the reason that you're not going to understand half the shit I'm actually talking about is if you haven't read that book, you have no idea what I'm referring to. Zero. So you got to read the book, get it down pat, then we can have a civilized conversation, an informed conversation about classical chart patterns and accumulation patterns. And then we can fold it into order flow. But beyond that, how many times have I recommended people read these books? A shit ton. How many people have done it? Not very many people. Now, personally, I want to make a fuckload of money every day, so I put the work in. But there are no shortcuts.
No copy trade.
Oh yeah, it does say no copy trade, Ben. Yeah, that's right. Ah. I don't care about French books, Raf. I just want trading books because I like to make fuckloads of money every day. It might be too complicated, but they might have it in French, Raf. Well, let's see. Technical. Oh, they don't? Really? Fuck. That sucks. That's stock trends in French. I'll look it up for you, buddy. Hey, there you go. Oh, yeah, you could probably find this thing. You're right. Now, it might be the older version, but that's all right. That's right. Be very careful about clicking that shit. Yeah, well, the book's too long for me to teach you everything, Raf. So, it is what it is. I don't know what to say. What if they have it on Audible? Yeah, it's a cheap book, right? I read the 11th edition. They may have a 12th. I don't know.
Dude, I had this book 25 years ago.
Did you ever read it?
I don't remember. I was collecting books there for a while. So,
yeah, you probably didn't read it because if you read it, it would have changed your thinking a lot.
Right, and if I did, I only read what I was
It's so
specific
good.
things that I was looking for.
Yep.
I was big into like candlesticks and Japanese.
This is not that. This is not what this is. This is classical chart patterns.
Right.
Yeah, that's not what that is. It has nothing to do with dojis. Has nothing to do with Japanese candles. I mean, none of it.
I was like torrenting like all these books and printing them. I had printers at my disposal, just printing.
Torrenting. Oh my gosh, I remember the torrenting days. I used to torrent when I gamed. And the reason I torrented when I gamed is because it gave me a lag advantage. Oh. He says you doxed yourself with your email, I think.
Oh, I don't think I have to worry about anyone in this room. Mike's got all your credit card information, everybody.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, his address? Oh, yeah, you do have your address, buddy. You
Send me gifts. Oh, Terry, I'll get receipts.
I'll do it for you, brother. You're done.
I'm not worried about you guys.
I know. You shouldn't be. Let's see who's in here. Yeah, everybody's good. Whatever. Too late, Jared. Almond's already going to fuck you.
I'm a minority. Fuck, you live in Chicago.
10,000 pounds of meth. And he could do it too. Ahmed could lift that with one arm. Fucking George Mirasan. Dude, I know I sound like such a hard ass sometimes when it comes to trading. I have seen so many traders come across and not put work in. It's incredible how fucking lazy people are with trading. They think it's just like they're just gonna step into it one day and just fucking crush it. That's just what people think. And then you get a few scars, and then people get absolutely whipped, and they're too afraid to put on risk. And it's like, dude, you got to put some work in, and then have an
I wish I
entrepreneurial
was more
spirit.
afraid of losing money.
What's that?
I said I wish I was more afraid of losing money.
Well, we had somebody in here who said that. He's like, I have no fear. I have no fear of the market. I got no fear. I have a high risk tolerance. He blew out his 2 accounts in one day.
Well, I'm not like that. I use stops.
I know. He did too, but he scaled in like 20 micros on small accounts.
They may.
Yeah, I know. You're a professional.
Well, I've lived the life of someone who's been blown out a couple times.
Yeah. Yeah. Me too.
But big. Big. So
Yeah.
I guess you have to.
Yeah, I mean, I've never lost an account, but I've lost a lot of money doing stupid shit. So, it's just not something I do anymore. It's like right now, here on this chart, who cares? I can do that. I don't care. Right? I don't really give 2 fucks. If I was in this trade, I would have given 2 fucks about stopping out of that position. If a sheet oscillates back up into that wick, she's going to go take the highs of that wick. Right here. See that? Then you want to be like that. And there goes the 5 lot. Oh, I just get right back in. I don't even care. Yeah, another 4 lot coming in. I don't care. Double 4s. They took them. Tighten it up. Who cares? I am not afraid to lose, boys. Now, if they take this wick out, they're going to go take it. Watch. Right there. You know where it is? You see this? The mouse? Right there. See? So you know where that wick high is. Is this where Trades by Matt would say, wick test? No, I don't think that's what this is. Hey! All right, go take that one. So, what does that look like, right? So a lot of you fuckers are so afraid to even take a random trade. Oh, do you know? There's this guy. This is an interesting thing. There's this guy. His name is Tom Basso. Okay. Do you have any of you guys heard of Tom Basso? Huh?
Nope.
Oh, he's a market wizard. Dude, you guys have not read enough trading books. I'm serious. Anyway, he's a market wizard. He has a risk management where he enters random positions. He's proved it through backtesting. Enters random positions with good R factor. So 50% right or wrong, right? Just random ass positions. Still made money. He proved without a shadow of a doubt that if you have good risk management, you can still make money. You should read his book. It's good. You should follow him on Twitter. Especially if you're shitty at Monte Carlo. You're still struggling to make money with the fucking proven edge. Anyway, see, look. If you're that guy who's like, excuse me, I'm so scared to lose. right? That's a net positive right there, right? Stop here. Now this is, obviously a much bigger winner. So it's like, I guess you could put the R factor tool on it. Right here. Or let me see. Ah! Something like that, right? That's the loser one. This is the winner one. I think they were, yeah, here. So then the stops were, I don't know, down here somewhere. There we go. Something like that. I don't know. Kind of confusing. All right, just do that. See that? 6R scalp versus this little shitty loss. But I mean, in terms of points, it's just a bigger winner. But if you're always afraid of getting stopped out and re-entering, you're just going to get fucking whipped. I want to say something else, but you're just going to get whipped all day long because, you're afraid to put on risk in your style of trading. Anyway, top of that range, they broke it by a few ticks. See that? Looks like they found stops and right back in. I think that these are options really fucking everybody here. Probably what's being generated. I would not be surprised, as I use my brain more as the day progresses, would not be surprised to look at the put call ratio and to see it doing something. Here, let's see. 0.7935. Well, that's not what I expected. Yeah, I don't know. Well, that theory is blown to smithereens. I expected to see a really low PC ratio or a really high PC ratio, but neither existed. So, guys, don't get COVID. Just stay in your houses. You have kids, watch them. Don't send them to daycare. Just watch them all day long so they don't ever get sick. It's the worst. Herschel, look at that move to 199 on Tesla, straight up and then right back through VWAP. They are accumulating the shit out of this thing. Elon getting more shares. He only has like 100 million left. Another 3 months of buying left for Elon. I can imagine Elon used neural net and he like uploaded like all the most popular like candlestick patterns to his head. And every time Elon's like, oh yeah, the shorts think they're gonna win, he just market buys through everything. He's like, ah. Sometimes I think of stuff like that. Yeah, that's what Elon's doing. All right, they ran into a wall. All right, let's see. So what? Let's see. That was on the bid, too, by the way. That was on the bid. So this is breakout support. Okay. I don't care. Double top, short term, probably going to break. All right, let's try again. Hey, try again. There's somebody on the bid here. Whoop. Wrong move, jabroni. Maybe I go take highs out now. Whatever. All right, now the red devil is support. And then that's the next one. All right. Yeah, no shit. That would be... That's a good one, Marshall. All right, now it's breaking out of balance. Got to even put a tighter leash on it. Here, go get that 9 lot, right? There's the support. There's back into rage. No, we're going to probably double balance here. Let's see. Yep, double balance. Here we go. Now you don't want to be shorting. This is a breakdown point. Still might work. Still might work. But we're going to do this. We're going to miss out on this trade. We might miss out on this trade. Oh, man. BBWC for the E-mini right now. You see it, Herschel? You see it? Look at it, the E-mini. Take a look. Herschel, BBWC, E-mini. There. Yeah. Hey, Jude. Da, da, da. Let's see. I think we gotta collect this. There we go. There we go. Alright, they're gonna get our stuff. That's okay. Whip. Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. $20, Mike. Oh, Herschel, ye of little faith. Ye of little faith. They're gonna get that wick. There, we gotta just cancel them. It's alright, if it comes back into range, they get our stop, that's okay. I think we're gonna go get that. And higher. Mmm. $140 make you holler. Whoa, make you holler. Oh, I can hear myself singing in the other room. Make you holler, holler, ha 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 ha. Holla. Oh man, I've got to be driving Ben insane over there. I can hear myself laughing. I sound like a crazy man from the other room. He's probably cracking up, dude. He's probably cracking up. Oh, the buyers are paying up. They're going to get my stops. All right. All right. I see you. Suck it. Suck it, they say. All right. Zoom out. Zoom. There's the 10 lots coming in. Back to the Red Devil. Jared said, I felt it. Woo, I felt it.
Well, when the change of market feel happened, right? We were talking about it, and I'm like, all right, you're like, are you trading differently? Like, yeah, actually, I did a swing trade as opposed to a scalp.
Yeah.
510 was the number for the top of the zone. I'm like, we're going to explore around the zone now because it's no longer trending.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Try to
Yeah.
avoid using things like felt all the time.
Well, we're
Felt.
talking about how the market
Yeah,
changed.
but you know, if every day we talk about, we feel it. I think, I got a
Right.
feeling, and then it's all based on, well, we had that conversation a week ago. But guess what? We all end up start doing. We all end up start talking with feelers, right? Yeah. And
Yes.
then our
But I mean,
and then our
there's a hard edge on
analysis,
there.
then our analysis starts going downhill, right?
I
Big
guess I
time.
used the wrong language.
No, you didn't use the wrong language. You just didn't explain yourself. You said I felt it. So it is what it is, man.
Well, I no longer felt it was trending
Yeah, well, you know.
because it wasn't.
I'm pointing it out because it's
Gotcha.
important. That's all. If I say I feel, how are you guys going to learn from me? You want me to do the same thing to you, Jared? I felt it was going up. Oh, well, why, Mike? Oh, you want to ask why every time? Why don't I just say, I feel, guys, I feel it? That's my point. I've run much bigger rooms, Jared. And the feeler shit, when it gets out of control, it turns into a shit show of opinions with no substance. So,
I would post charts, but you don't want to see these charts.
I do want to see them.
Okay.
Fuck yes, I want to see them.
I'm just being honest. I had to go to the doctor and came back and did not re-download.
Okay, well, that's all right. Oh, the yellow. What is this, Bam? I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Do you remember? What if you just sold every new high? Every time you hit a new high, you just sold it and you scalped it. You think that would be a profitable strategy? Depends on your stops, right? Yeah. There's the wick high. See the size sitting here? See if the shorts get a little nervous. Nope, still going. How much can you overtrade? Dude, listening to myself in the other room is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Safe spot to retarget. The R factors are now better. Do you remember? What time is it? 8:17. Okay. Oh, Benjamin. Oh, Benjamin. I just want to let you know I love you, buddy. Let's see if he hears me. Benjamin, I'd love to have a hug from you if you want to come into the office. It would be amazing. Yay! Oh, Raph, let me see. Oh, dude. You know who you're making very happy right now, Jared? Is RLC and Almond. I think they love yellow.
Dude, I love their well, right. They can see all the 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 tones.
They're both strong Dutans, basically. This. I'll show you.
I was gonna say, Jared, is that your like pro-Ukrainian trading?
That's
So I
hilarious.
downloaded ShareX, so now my snipping tools have elevated.
Here's what Almond and Ron are. These guys. Strong Dutans. Do you remember? Yeah.
Alec, by the way, my entire descent is Ukrainian. 99.8% Ashkenazi Jew from the Ukraine.
Oh. Ayo. Singing what I. Hey, yo. Listen what I say, yo. Ho, 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 ho. mm. Ah, man. Come on, we're at 492 points. Can we do this? Gotta get to 500. 500. Gotta get to 500. Gotta get to 500. 500. 500. Gotta get to 500 points. 500 points. Ooh, Microsoft at PSV. Oh, we might pull back hard here in a sec. Interesting. Y'all see that? Let's get ready to rumble. Look. Ooh.
I didn't realize my edits weren't in there. Shoot, sorry.
What edits?
The whole point of me posting that picture was anyway. I'll do it now.
Oh, I'm sorry, brother. Fuck. Alright, now I just can't stop myself. I gotta go for the highs. I gotta overtrade and get to my 500 points. Do you guys ever do that? I just want. Let's see. That'll be right there. Fucking come on, baby. Come on. It's alright. We're gonna take it. Alright. Fuck that. Alright. 500.4. Yeah, buddy. Bam. What I think is gonna oh wait, here. What I think is going to happen in that is that specific line is going to get tagged and it's going to come back no matter what. Look, like this. And then NASDAQ's going to drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Now we got bidders there. Come on. Wow. This market is dead right now. In the stop zone, in the stop zone, in the stop zone. Now we're at 496. Come on, baby. This is double balance. Takes us to here. Okay. And then if you're going to go here, you might as well go lower. And then if you're going to go lower, you might as well take it to the red devil. Okay. That one's for you, Raf. Doesn't involve classical charting. How about that? This is dedicated to the one I love. La 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 la.
See, I reposted now with my stuff.
Yeah. All right. All right. I reposted Microsoft pushing off of PSV. What? What? All right. It's all right. We're back to 503. We're done. I'm gonna go sit on the couch. I'm losing it right now, and I gotta get Ben. Well, I'll sit on the couch with the headphones. How about that? And then I'll watch the screen. So this is gonna be very strange, because I'm gonna comment on a 6-second old screen, and so it's just gonna be weird. You'll see. It'll even confuse me. You'll see. You will see. RSV.
How's your chair?
Me?
You like that stool? A lot better? Good.
Good. Glad to hear that.
Oh, sorry, everybody.
No, it's okay. What kind of stool? Your wife. She has a better stool, chair.
I reset up this office in here, so we got standing desks and things. So
Beautiful.
yes. Now my love is next to 6 feet away from me.
Your love keeps lifting me higher than I've ever been lifted before. So keep it up, quench my desire, and I'll be at your side forevermore. Sorry, Jared. I'm a little goofy here. I'm loopy.
Was that a bullish song?
No. Well, maybe. I don't know. I'll tell you what. This screen, it looks like shit. On this TV, compared to my monitors, it looks like absolute garbage. Come on, back to the Red Devil.
Also an LVM.
Yeah, exactly. Red Devil. Inside days, aren't they the best? How many traders, man? How many traders focus on like linearity in the markets? They're like, I don't know if it's inside. I don't know where it's going. But fucking moon or death. And then in the middle, they just get fucking chopped. Can't scale out. Can't build a position. All in. Stop. So moon or bust. Bearish or bust. How many traders get to that mindset every single day?
All right, look at this. The margin was perfect. We got 30 up, 30 down. We're right back to center now.
Yeah.
It's definitely linear.
Yeah. You're a silly boy, Benjamin. Benjamin, do you want to talk to somebody who's really cool?
Yeah.
Okay, his name's Jared. Yeah, it'll come out
No
on there.
school today, kiddo?
It's 8:28. I gotta leave in 12
Oh,
minutes. I'm
right.
dreading walking outside because it's gonna burn my eyes and my everything. It's misty cold.
Is it? It's freezing.
Uh, no, it's 35, but
That's
raining.
not so bad, right? Oh yeah, it
Yeah.
is gorgeous here. It is
Oh man, it
probably
sounds.
60s now. Perfect. We're past the 30s in the
Oh,
morning. It's gorgeous.
oh, that is gorgeous, man.
Every day is 70 and perfect. Ugh.
Yeah, sounds wonderful. I'm looking forward to the summertime here.
What? I didn't say about
All right, here you go, buddy. You can talk to Red Devil. Hey, this stuff is so good. It almost makes me want to start trading, right?
Mic on. Mic feedback
Almost.
off.
But do you know what happens, Jared, when I overtrade when I'm sick? I have my worst days.
So last time I looked an hour ago, half hour ago. What? $500? Is that right?
Right. Right.
That's still winning.
Oh no, it's not $500, Jared. That's 500 points.
Oh, is that what?
That's 10 grand.
Oh. Well, if that's a bad day.
It is a bad day, but my point is that I have. Ben, can you quit hopping on the couch, please? My point is, when I have rules in place to protect my ass, I follow. Because I have had the worst losing days when I'm sick. Can you not do that, please? Please. But here's Jared. He's so cool.
500 points. Hey, Ben.
It's turning on. Look, it just turned on.
Mic on. Mic feedback off.
You gotta turn this on.
Hello?
Hello. Hey, you guys still do Jollyphonics in the
Mic on.
kindergarten where you
Mic
sing the
feedback
songs and then you
off.
move your arms and stuff and for to learn how to read? Do you guys still have that? We used to have to play a CD in our car and we'd sing along with our kids.
It's not. Yeah. This headset keeps disconnecting because I'm across the house from the
Mic
Bluetooth.
on. Mic feedback off.
Hello?
Hello.
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 Hello. Hello. Ben tried to talk. I could see the microphone turning white, then green, then white, then green. White is like searching for signal. Green is like connected. When you put it on my big noggin, I must act like a fucking transmitter.
Mine makes it like just to the back door and that's it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm up to the front of the house, so 1, 2, 3. I have 4 walls between us, and it's still able to get through. I think it's not bad. Oh man. Anyway, what I was saying, Jared, is it's tempting for me to come and go, oh, I'll just fucking take it out of Sim and start clicking like a madman, right? Because I got this. But I have my rules. My rules are, you're this sick, don't do stupid things. Pain tolerance goes way down. So it's easy to do on Sim what you can't do with the real account. You know that? Of course. We all know that. Dude, I don't even think you guys are hearing me. I can't see the chat, so
I can hear you.
okay.
Yeah, I was saying whether I'm simming
Or
or
should
not,
have
I
said
think I
we
do it
do.
exactly the same.
Yeah. Hey Ben, you can't the time's up. That's all.
Mic on. Mic
Make that
feedback
clear, you
off.
boss.
Alright, Ben, can you go get ready for school, please? Yeah, it's almost time. Oh,
Jimib said even when you whisper.
even when I whisper, I'll look to the chat on my phone. I just heard even when you whisper. Sorry. Oh, thanks, Jimmy. We do. All right. Devil's filled though. Harshal. Oh, that was 3 minutes ago. They already got it. See, isn't it amazing how you could put on risk on an inside day and be wrong so many times and still get huge R's? But you got to do the opposite of what all the newbies say. Breakout, buy the breakout. Linear thinking. Just stupid linear thinking. Oh, we're at the edge of balance. Moon. We're at the bottom. Moon. Or death. Like, we'll say this again. If markets are in if markets are in consolidation 68% of the time, then why are you going to trade markets like they're breaking out 100% of the time? That's so stupid. Like, you have to ignore stats. Mentality. So for all the guys that are like, I only do big R factor trading for breakout days. Like, all right, you better have like a 20R winner. Now your probability of hitting 20Rs probably just went way down. But it takes no skill to do that. Like, that's what I want. I want the no skill one. Not me. The skill one. I want to have more skill when I'm trading. Make more money. Because that's the goal, dude. Rake in the money. Rake it in. Rake it in. Trading against people who do not trade correctly. Bull bars, bear bars, inverted hammers. Moon or death.
Mic on. Mic feedback off.
Nice structural bounce there, right? Right?
So now knowing there's margin on there and we got everything,
Arshul said yep.
Sorry,
do we
what?
start to scale in, like above TD, a sale, a little bit higher, like to build that position back to center at this point, or is it getting, I mean, as a theory?
Wait, I missed what you said at the beginning. I missed what you said at the beginning, buddy. Shoot, maybe you guys can't
Oh,
hear me.
what I was saying was knowing that we have a strong margin over here and we've got 30 up, 30 down from there. As we start to get to the outsides, maybe, ledges, do it like right above TD. Do we sell there? Start scaling in and build a position with just above the stops, just above the top, to bring this back towards center. Is that, you know, something that you'd be looking to do?
Probably get to go short if this middle structure, look left structure breaks.
Interesting.
All those guys
Short
are gonna
down to like 58.
to the lows or something. I don't know.
Yeah,
Value
yeah.
area low or something. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know. I can't see a PO from the couch. I mean, I can, but I can't.
Not a lot in there right now.
Yeah, there's a few. There's 8.
Ice down at 60, I guess.
Yeah. Sir. Yes. Oh, I need food. Okay. my shoes on. I'm too tired to walk you to school. Can I just sit on the couch?
You don't need to. You don't.
Can't you just walk to school by yourself?
No,
You don't feel comfortable?
I do.
Okay, alright.
You could skip.
I don't want to skip. You need your education, jabroni. I'm just trying to gauge your confidence to go across the street by yourself.
Why?
Would you look both ways? Would you get hit by a car if a car was coming? If a car was coming, would you just walk out in front of the car? If you were going to cross the street and a car was coming, would you just step out in front of the car without looking? Okay, because that could be a real big pain if you did that. You don't feel confident to walk to school? I think you would be good too. I think no, the bus doesn't come over here. I think if you needed to, Ben, you could get back home by yourself, but I'll still take you. Okay, I'm trying to instill confidence. If there's an emergency, you could definitely make it back home, okay? You just need to be very careful crossing streets, okay? I know you could do it, okay?
Will I do it?
No, I'm gonna take you today.
When I get older?
When you get older, for sure. I got a lot of confidence in you. Alright, let's go. Here you go, bud. Yeah.
Mic off. Charging battery. Mic on.
Okay. TDV web value high stops. There might get them. You never know. Wait, some of you guys are using 10? Never do that. Your eyes can't keep up with 10. It's one of the biggest knocks on performance, boys. Oh, you got a little inverted hammer. Bummer. No. No. Here. You don't want to do that, brother. Oh, there's a 9 lot that keeps refilling. That's interesting. Yeah, I think 200 MS is good. Yeah, same spot. Oh, what direction's bad? Oh well, what are you gonna do? Too cold outside, man. Too cold. Just turn the heater up in the house. Feels so good. Oh my gosh. Hero, what's the weather like in Poland right now? What is interesting is that you've got this going on. Right. It's ugly. It's inside. So it's not clean. But it is going on.